Okay, so basically me and Maggie, we did simple numbers and sequences. And that entails when there are m number of ways of doing one thing and n number of ways of doing another, then there are m times n number of ways of doing both. So let's look at an example of that. We have, excuse me, there we go. Example would be you have 3 fish-eye, and 4 green monster things, and 3 times 4 is equal to 12. That means there are 12 possible combinations of fish and monsters. Let's look at another example. Okay, so example number 2, if you have 5 t-shirts and 5 pairs of pants, then what you can just do 5 by 5 is equal to 25, and then you can also do the tree diagram over here, which means you can start out with 1 shirt paired with 1 pair of pants, that would be S and P, and then 1 shirt paired with another pair of pants, and so on and so forth, and then count the number of combinations you have. And so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times 5 of these would give you 25 different outfits. Alright, this also works when you have more than 1 choice. Example would be when you buy a band t-shirt, you have 3 different colors, and then you have 5 and 3 different sizes to choose from. So how many choices do you have? Basically, you can go through and do all the little tree diagram, but that can get a little tedious. So we're just going to go back to the basic formula and multiply 3 times 5 times 3. So how many choices do we have? 3 times 5 times 3 is equal to 45. So 45 different choices. This only works when choices are example 2. 5 ice cream types, 2 types of cones, and then you have 2 different sizes. So you have 5 ice cream types, we'll say vanilla, and then different colors of vanilla. 2 types of cones, waffle cone, and then a bowl. And then 2 different sizes, a small size and a large size. Again, that tree diagram is a little tedious for this, and counting all that would just be unnecessary. So we're just going to multiply 5 times 2 times 2, and that'll give us 20, which means 20 combinations. Alrighty then. So how do we know if something is independent or dependent? If you guess independent, you are correct. It is independent when the choices don't attack each other. It is dependent when one choice affects the other choice. In this case, simple multiplication will not work. Definitely not work here. Okay then, thank you for watching our presentation. Have a great day.